In this video, I will show you how to solve the problem of mobile phone screen recording, but no sound is being recorded. If you face this problem on your mobile phone, then watch this video very carefully. Let's start our video. First of all, go to settings option, scroll down here, click on additional settings option, click on screen recording option. Now just click on record microphone sound. If you enable this option, when you record the screen from your phone, the audio will be recorded. If you want, you can also use an external microphone on your phone. If you like this video, please subscribe our channel and stay connected with us.